Starting with the main power switch, which is located under the bottom of the horizontal frame to turn on the device. Simply flip the green on switch and the machine will perform all of its system checks and rotate to its default starting position. If a problem occurs during image acquisition, you can press the red emergency stop switch, which is also located on the bottom of the vertical frame, to immediately stop the moving parts and cut off all power to the electrical components. To restart the equipment, turn the switch clockwise until it pops up. You will have to restart the acquisition interface to take another image. Let's take a look at the controls on the front of the control panel. The column up, column down buttons, which move the vertical frame up and down. Alternatively, use the column up-down hand switch, which is attached to the front of the machine, to adjust as well. In the middle of the panel is the laser light on and off button. Underneath the platform is your temple support open-close dial. Turn the dial clockwise to secure the temple supports to the patient's head. To the right of this is the canine beam adjustment slider for the panel mode. Slide lever front to back to adjust. The accessory shelf located next to the patient handrails are an area to secure any metal objects that the patient needs to remove before taking an image. The exposure switch allows the operator to control the image acquisition process from outside the X-ray room. Press and hold the button down until the acquisition is fully complete. The light on the switch will turn yellow when image is exposing. Premature release of exposure switch will abort image acquisition. Always hold down the exposure button until the X-ray is fully completed.
Image capturing is complete.
Chin support with normal bite block. Chin support with a dentulous rest. Note, use a cotton roll to separate the bite. Sinus rest / TMJ rest. To clean and sanitize your Vatech PaX-i machine, always use hydrogen peroxide-based wipes and wipe down all areas that come into contact with the patient. Secondly, use a dry cloth and repeat on the same areas.